The Volkswagen Karmann Ghia has always been a symbol of elegance, blending classic European styling with the reliability of a Volkswagen. Now, in 2025, this iconic car has been reimagined for the modern era, bringing together retro charm and cutting-edge technology. This isn't just a revival, it's a statement, a car that respects its heritage while embracing the future. At first glance, the new Karmann Ghia is unmistakable. Volkswagen has maintained its signature flowing lines, rounded fenders, and coupe-like silhouette, but with a refined, modern touch. The front end features sleek LED headlights, subtly integrated into the classic curves, giving it a timeless yet contemporary look. The rear retains the signature fastback design, but with a more aerodynamic profile. It's a perfect blend of past and present, appealing to both classic car enthusiasts and a new generation of drivers. Under the hood, the 2025 Karmann Ghia offers a choice of powertrains, including an all-electric version and a turbocharged 4-cylinder for those who still crave a gasoline engine. The electric variant is where Volkswagen truly shines, featuring a high-performance battery pack capable of delivering over 300 miles of range on a single charge. With instant torque and a smooth, quiet ride, the EV version transforms the driving experience while staying true to the car's lightweight, nimble nature. The turbocharged gas version, on the other hand, produces around 250 horsepower, giving it the spirited performance that the original never had but always deserved. Inside, Volkswagen has seamlessly merged classic aesthetics with modern technology. The cabin features premium materials, including leather-trimmed seats, a minimalist dashboard, and a digital gauge cluster designed to mimic classic analog dials. A large touchscreen infotainment system sits in the center, offering seamless connectivity with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Volkswagen's latest software suite. Despite its retro look, this car is fully equipped with modern conveniences like wireless charging, a premium sound system, and advanced driver assistance features, making it a perfect blend of vintage charm and modern functionality. Driving the new Karmann Ghia is an experience unlike any other. The car's lightweight construction and finely tuned suspension make it a joy to drive on winding roads. Whether powered by the electric motor or the turbocharged engine, it delivers a smooth yet responsive ride, staying true to the agile nature of the original. With multiple drive modes, including a sport setting, the 2025 model offers both relaxed cruising and spirited performance. Volkswagen has managed to bring back a legend without compromising what made it special in the first place. The 2025 Karmann Ghia is more than just a car, it's a celebration of automotive history, reinterpreted for a new era. It respects its past but refuses to be trapped by it, offering a glimpse of what retro-inspired modern cars can be. For those who appreciate timeless design with modern performance, this is the perfect blend of nostalgia and innovation.